Hi, in this video I am showing you how to buy Griffain new hedge fund token. First of all, go to any exchange where you have dollars in your account. As I am using Binance Exchange here, but you can use any exchange. In first step, you have to buy Solana coin from dollars like I am doing. In second step, you have to withdraw Solana coin to your Phantom wallet. Click on withdrawal and select send via crypto network. Now minimize the screen and go to the Phantom wallet and copy the Solana receiving address. After copying the address, go back to the exchange and put the address here and confirm your withdrawal. Now withdrawal reached in my Phantom wallet. Go to the search option in the wallet and search Griffain new hedge fund. Now click on swap. Enter the amount of Solana coin you want to buy the Griffain new hedge fund token with. Click on swap. Your Griffain new hedge fund token have been bought. Please leave a like for this video and not forget to subscribe this channel.